English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels. A and A. Step 1. You can watch my other video in which I give an overview of the sounds of vowels in English. Now, in these videos I'll be looking at phonemes. So here we have an overview of all the phonemes that we use for the vowels of English. So please watch that video so you can see all of the sounds that we use for vowels and all of the spellings in English. In this video we're going to look at two sounds. We're going to look at a, cup, sun, does, for example, and we're going to look at a, hat, family, for example. Now these are called phonemes. Phonemes. So in this video we're going to look at the phonemes a and a. So first let's look at some typical sounds and spellings. Now normally this sound a, when you write, you spell it with U. For example, cut, hut, funny, Sunday. So these are words with the most common spelling of this sound. And of course there are irregular ones. For example, sun, S-O-N, and then does, O-E is the spelling in this case. So there you have cup, hut, funny, Sunday, sun, and does. Now the next sound is a. You can hear the difference. A, cup, cap, hut, hat. So the normal spelling for this phoneme is the letter A, as in cap, hat, family, sandy. So this one is easy to remember because the spelling is always A, the letter A. Two more examples, band, gas. So you can see for all of these there is only one spelling, the letter A. So now you can practice these sounds and the spellings of these sounds by listening and writing some words and sentences. So find a piece of paper and write a list 1 to 15 and listen and write the words and sentences. Now examples 1 to 10 are words. So listen and write, think about the sounds and think about the spellings. Number 1. Culture. Culture. Number 2. Club. Club. 3. Bus. Bus. 4. Monday. Monday. 5. Money. Money. 6. Calculate. Calculate. 7. Class. Class. 8. Basket. Basket. 9. Mask. Mask. 10. Natural. Natural. All right, you can pause the video or go back and listen again if you're not sure. So those were 10 examples of words with these two phonemes. Next, we'll look at 5 examples of sentences with these phonemes. So each sentence has words containing these two sounds, a and a. So listen, write, think about the sounds and think about the spellings. 11. He studied the culture of the Aztecs. He studied the culture of the Aztecs. 12. She won a large sum of money on Sunday. She won a large sum of money on Sunday. 13. He catches a bus to the club. He catches a bus to the club. 14. Her umbrella is in the basket. Her umbrella is in the basket. 15. The supper was a great success. The supper was a great success. Again, you can pause the video, rewind, listen again, and check the spelling. So that brings us to the end of this Step 1 video on the vowels a and a. Move on to the Step 2 video in which I'll present the answers and you can practice the sounds and the spellings. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.